What?
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Not you. You can choke. This was the first interaction I really had with Brain, so I wanted to see her anger level. I wanted to see if I was powerful enough to twist her mind.
Holy cow.
New York, she comes around and she puts this black cloud of just hate and nastiness. I can't take it.
Are you serious?
It was a mind thing. She got mind screwed by me, and it worked.
Miss New York, how will you respond if Flav has nothing on in the hot tub?
Well, I just have a lot on my mind right now, and I don't feel like talking.
But you know, you have the opportunity to meet so many great people along the way.
Yeah, I do, but I don't want to take the opportunity.
Well, that makes you out to
No. I'm turn the
I don't care. I don't
turn the around.
I'm not turning around.
Turn the around. No, because I'm sick of your. You bring your attitude and your energy up in this.
Turn around.
Oh, Grayson.
Bitch,
Yes, you do.
We tried to include her and she basically just on us again and I snapped.
And I'm sick of your. I'm sick of your. I can't wait till your bitch ass get kicked out the house. I'm gonna be here. Because you are so ugly. You demon. You a demon.
Calm down.
Get out. I'm sick of your.
No, you're not.
She's in my bloodstream. She's in it. And I need her out. We all need her out.
Bitch, I have a drink in my hand. I will throw this drink in your face. I'm not gonna shut up for you. I am not gonna shut up. No, I'm sick of that.